everyone! It's time to learn how to write Chinese characters. Let's go! Toji Suzuhara. Kensuke Aida. Hikari Horaki. Naoko Akagi. Yui Ikari. Ibuki. Shigeru Aoba. Makoto Hyuga. Ryoji Kaji. Hardest to write. 定为 Yui Ikari. While the surname being Ikari is complex. The given name Yui is the primary reason this name is the top spot for difficulty, stroke complexity and density. We consist so she strokes packed into a square-like structure. Its challenge lies not in the number of strokes, but in their precision and balance. Demanding component composition, it is composed of the core, mouth, radical on the left and J rule A, short-tailed bird on the right. The J component is notoriously tricky for learners. It requires writing for horizontal strokes, 人家分 horizontals of varying lengths, stacked vertically alongside the single vertical stroke that holds the entire structure together. Getting the proportions and spacing of these horizontals correct is very difficult. Easiest to write. 东目光 Hikari Horaki. This name is the easiest due to the exceptional simplicity of the given name Guang Hikari, low stroke count. Guang has only few strokes, the lowest count on this list. Simple and stable structure. It has a straightforward top-bottom structure. The top component, a variant of Xiao, is simple and symmetrical, while the bottom component, length, provides a wide, stable base. This structure is intuitive and easy to balance. Comparative analysis. Why not 定位 as both? The surname being 13 strokes, meaning anchor, is indeed complex with its shi, song, and bin components. However, the intricate internal structure of it presents a more consistent challenge in achieving proper balance and proportions. Other contenders for hardest, 成因加持良知 is also very complex. Badway often feels more constrained and less fluid to write. Other contenders for easiest, 木音东目光 is very simple, 4 strokes, but as part of a compound surname, it doesn't outweigh the ultimate simplicity of the given name Guang.